Hey YouTube! It's been a while since my first video showed up on the YouTube. I've been busy with gathering ideas and thoughts what to speak about, and I'm glad to say that now I finally know what might be worth sharing with you. I done 3 things wrong. Left my 9-to-5 contract actually recently. I started a YouTube channel right now, and I'm learning new stack, which is iOS, and I'm doing that all in the same time. Entire YouTube says this is wrong. Well, either I prove I'm different and I'm lucky, either I fail and prove that this is actually a wrong way and I need to adjust. I got the first subscriber. Thank you very much for that. I don't know why you actually subscribed, but that's really nice to feel this very first support and subscription. First project is to stretch up a bit, to get used to camera, to get used to speaking to the camera and sharing my knowledge, my thoughts with the camera, actually without immediate feedback from the people, without immediate questions. This is obviously something new, a fresh experience for me, but other than that it shall be just fine, and I think I'll get to it pretty fast. So first project is the one that came into my mind last year when I've been traveling with my bicycle a lot. I've been making a lot of pictures of the nature, the grass, the sun, the trees, the rivers. Nature is beautiful, it's awesome when it's summer, and I've been enjoying that. I did my best to capture all the great moments I had, and I thought that it's just a pleasure, it's just a great idea to share that moment, because as I learned many years ago, we make pictures, we make photos not with the hardware we have, we make it with our souls first of all, and the hardware is just a tool. The name for this project is Outside the Office, because you cannot enjoy the sun and the rivers and grass and everything else inside the office. So it requires some effort to get outside the office, to leave the chair and computer and actually go out and enjoy it. So what's the plan for the project? So right now I have planned 3 phases. Phase number 1 is a very basic functionality that helps me and automate to a minimum degree the effort of publishing and scheduling posts. I'm going to use Telegram for that. So I have started a Telegram channel, and I found out it's actually hard. It's hard to remember which photos was posted when I want to post them, to remember the exact time I want to do so. That's true, I can schedule automatic posts with just a Telegram, but this just doesn't seem enough for me, because it won't allow me to track what was posted, what was not, what is scheduled, etc, etc. So I'm going to build a bot for that, and I will share my journey, how I do that, what I use, what decisions do I make. And so the very first phase will be done when there is actually a bot who can accept pictures, some maybe comments, captures. It allows to pick a date and time when to publish this post, and see a list of posts scheduled, and all of that will be done natively within the Telegram. So that's the very first phase. The second phase is I would like to make it more convenient for myself, and that's also the reason why I have chosen Telegram, because I know the API pretty well. So it is more straightforward than learning other platforms' API from the scratch. But what I want to do is to add iOS application on top of that, and API to the bot, to my bot that would accept the calls from the iOS application. What's the value of the iOS application is to allow actually keep tracking of the pictures, so either move them between collections, what was posted, what is scheduled, what will be posted, what was not posted, right? So it takes less time to actually choose which picture should be posted next, right? So it will allow to deduplicate the content without actually spending a lot of time of that. So once picture is scheduled, it's moved or marked somehow. Once it's posted, it's moved or marked again. So I have a native iOS application. I'm a heavy Apple user, so that's the most convenient form for me to keep track of my content. The third phase is about integrating a ton blockchain into all that. So if you're familiar with Telegram and the ecosystem around that, there is a ton blockchain which integrates with Telegram pretty closely, and guys are constantly improving and working on adding new integrations. And for now we already got a Ton wallet integrated into Telegram application, so it is like a native Telegram currency already. This seems to be fun and cool in order to pay some contributions, in order to share income with people who probably take a part, who also create a content for the channels. So thank you very much for watching this. In the next part I will be explaining more about Telegram, about the way it works and what I'm actually building. Please subscribe, hit like if you are curious at least about this project, and see you in the next part. Thank you, bye.